Well, to me, of course, a good understanding
for the
of
students who are going to join this university, for future
right.
students.
I mean, calculus is very important.
Yeah.
I think no matter what
Yeah.
field you're working in, if you're working with math, you're going to come up against calculus at some point. So those are kind of given and required courses anyway.
Mhm.
Now, I also enjoyed, when I was a undergrad, taking course on differential equations. So ordinary differential equations, partial differential
Mhm.
equations, and perhaps there are numerical solutions. So not just the mathematical analysis, but there was also courses on numerical solutions to differential equations. Those are courses that I found enjoyable, and later on, when I was doing research, came in quite handy. Perhaps not as in a direct way as a probability course, but still they came in quite handy. So differential equations, I think, is a useful tool for an engineer to know for sure.
Mhm.
So those are some of the courses I guess I could recommend. No matter, differential equations come in very useful when you're trying to model various kinds of systems, especially systems that have a time component to them, and you're
Mhm.
analyzing their behavior. Knowledge of the partial differential equations is very important there. And in fact, they come into play again in certain signal processing tasks. We can model some of our image filters. So by a filter, I mean a component that takes in a signal and processes it to produce another result. Some of these filters are based on principles from differential equations. They behave in that way. That's how we analyze their behavior. So that's an example, I guess.